it is a requirement for all motor vehicles to have a passenger accident insurance,
Okay.
which we require. However, these matters come on the last portion when they are registered with the LTO. I-check yan, may TPL ka pa, may PAMI ka ba, may PETC or PMVIC results ka. So,
Dapat comprehensive, sir.
yes, sir. The PAMI insurance is a no-fault insurance. So meaning to say, regardless of who is at fault, dapat mabayaran yung pasahero. And the maximum amount is 400,000 pag namatay and about 300,000 pag mayroon kun po, yung nagkaroon po ng kwan. Hindi ho namatay yung tao. It's
Okay.
more of
So
injury, Your Honor.
you just make sure na wala na pong pupunta sa programa ko o kahit sa mga media outlet na humihingi ng tulong dahil hindi po sila nabayaran ng bus company. At sila po ay biktima sa disgrasya kagagawa ng bus o because of the bus na sinasakyan nila.
We will do that, Mr. Chair.